Hey everyone, I'm Mike McElarney and I'm a CXD peer advisor this year. And today we're going to go over some of the aspects of Handshake that will be particularly useful to you as you go forward. So first we're going to go over how to make an appointment. So under the Career Center tab, you can check out upcoming events and more importantly, make appointments to meet with career advisors and do mock interviews. There are 4 general sections under Schedule an Appointment: Advising Appointments, General Exploration, Mock Interviews, and Drop-in Hours. Advising Appointments. This section is best if you know what sector you are interested in or which specific advisor you would like to speak to. Most likely, if you have been to CXD before, this is the best section to make your returning appointments. When you enter this section, you will be given the opportunity to specify your desired sector, such as law, education, art, etc., before you are taken to the calendar page, thereby narrowing the number of available appointments to a specific counselor. General Exploration. Interested in speaking with someone at CXD but not sure what you want to do? This is your section. All of our advisors are equipped to help you thinking about what you would like to do and how that may lead you down a career path. This section is great for first-time appointments. Under the calendar, you will see appointment options with all of our counselors, so just focus on picking a day and time that works best for you. Mock Interviews. If you have a big job or internship interview, one of the best ways to prepare is to actually practice interviewing. CXD brings in members of the community to help you practice a behavioral interview. They will interview you for the job that you will actually be interviewing for, and then provide feedback that can help you better prepare and feel more relaxed for the real thing. You can use this to make an appointment for a mock interview, but you must also remember to email your resume and the description of the job you are applying for to Liz Coffey. Only after you have taken this step will your interview be officially confirmed. Drop-in hours. This section is here more as a reminder that we do drop-in hours from 2 to 4 p.m. every day. If you have a quick question or need advice as soon as possible, come in for drop-in hours and be seen straight away. Drop-in hours do not require making an appointment on Handshake. After you decide which section to make your appointment under, you will be taken onto the calendar screen to choose a day and time that works best for you. Once you choose a day and time, you will be given the opportunity to let the advisor know what you would like to discuss or what you would need help with. It is a good idea to make this as detailed as possible so that you can use your meeting time to actually work on your problem, not explain what is going on. We understand that things happen and scheduling conflicts occur. So, what if you need to cancel your appointment? First, go to your events page and on the right-hand side, you should see any upcoming assignments. Click on the appointment you would like to cancel and you will be taken to a screen with a big red cancel button. You will be given an opportunity to explain why you had to cancel the appointment. Your message will be sent to the counselor and your appointment will be canceled. If you have any questions, just reach out or stop by the CXD.